Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Volvo 2-litre diesel. The engine management light, or should we say chat light, is on. It comes out with intake manifold runner performance bank. In your case you may lose power, you may not, you may go into lit mode, you may not, but the engine management light will be on, or in your case it may not even be on. Now I wouldn't say it's a common issue, but it's diesel, what do you expect? What we would say, so if I pop this here, the inlet manifold runners is this here. It isn't hard to change at all, I'll be honest. It's pretty dead straightforward. It depends how handy you are. The reality is they get clogged up, or the inlet manifold runners, they tend to snap and it goes out of play, in other words. It's this motor here, okay, that controls the flaps within the manifold runners. Sometimes it only requires this changing, but if you ask me from experience and knowledge, what we would recommend is just change the whole lot. It probably makes a few quid difference, probably like a 30-40 quid, because that just alone, that servo, that module there, will cost you nearly as much as the whole lot complete. So if you do buy an OEM genuine part and change the whole lot, and this will hopefully cure the fault. Reality is they tend to snap, like I said, or it's this in here that messes up mainly. But if it does, if that doesn't mess up, then reality is these have clogged up the suit, and you know what it's like. It all builds up and it causes the flaps not to work, or they snap and whatnot, and it triggers this fault code here. So what we would say, we recommend you change the whole lot, including the sensor. You might as well just do it all in one go. It'll all go down to how DIY you are. It's not difficult, I'll be honest. You take the throttle body off, and it's these bolts here, which is plainly obvious. But when you buy the OEM, you can always look at the OEM and look at where the screws are, and then change it as you go.